Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. So guys, I am by the another simple, beautiful creamy cake designs. White cream cake designs. Creamy cake designs are with the ribbons designs. Oh, guys, beautiful and cutest video are uploaded on my YouTube channel. Simple cakes, most of the time we like simple cakes design, and my YouTube channel provides you the variety of cakes combinations designs, cakes collections designs that decorate the beautiful designs related to the cakes decorations in a simple way and a fancy, and the artificial designs are also available. But this collection is wow guys, simple beautiful creamy cake designs, and the combination of different colors use a white and flower add a most trending are ribbons designs guys. So don't miss that. Take a screenshot and go to a shop and make a beautiful cake for your special event like birthday, like graduations, like treat party designs. And the beautiful cakes decorations designs are available on my YouTube channel, creamy cakes designs for your birthday party. And most of the time, and mostly people like the creamy cake designs, and the creamy cake designs are most trending guys, and the trends of the cakes are the trends of the creamy cakes designs. I hope this video and this collections is very useful for you. Use for ribbon designs, simple cakes designs, add a beautiful happy birthday decorations designs, for party designs. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best channel that provides you the variety of cakes designs, how to decorate the different cakes designs, as well as how to decorate your wall, and how to decorate your home, how to decorate your party decorations. And I hope this video is very useful for you, and sweetest ideas, beautiful ideas, simple and admirable ideas. Use a different designs also. Heart shaped cakes design are most trending guys. Use a heart shaped cake designs are also look so lovely, look so stylish. I hope you enjoy my videos on daily basis. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more updates about my YouTube channel related to the decorations of wall as well as the decorations of cakes. Keep watching. Stay with me with the Easy Craft videos.